It's extremely rare that a taco place or a fast food place earns a Michelin star. I've been wanting to go for a while. We're on our way, we're gonna try it, and we're gonna let you know what we think.
Coming from two Mexicans.
Coming from two true paisas. Also, I'm expecting the line to be really long. This is a spot, Villas Tacos Los Angeles, and it's off of Figueroa, is that how you say it? Figueroa.
There's the word you couldn't pronounce. We have arrived.
Oh, I see the line. Oh, that's not bad at all. The line's actually not bad at all. There's like 5 people in front of us. And it looks fire. The line actually hasn't been bad. Been in line for like 10 minutes. I didn't want to spill it. It's really good. Agua de Jamaica. Yeah, that's good. Right, we're waiting for our tacos. It's been like 15 minutes. My mouth is watering.
They have like these communal tables. Everyone has their tacos out in front of us. It's so good.
There's only 2 tables, so it's kind of tricky and competitive to get a table, but we got one. First reaction is, godly, this looks amazing. They have a wide variety of salsas.
I'm saying, do you understand? She was like 10, like, you can understand.
Wait, yeah.
I was like, that's not 10, baby.
Yeah, why didn't you do like something like...
Okay, very late reaction. But how is it?
Cherry, and he's like,
Good. I think that's the steak one. Really
He
good.
just missed her, and after she left the room, was pretty much like, yeah.
These are so good. 10 out of 10. Literally like melts in your mouth. It tastes like it tastes like heaven. Like worth the hype, worth the line.
They all have avocado. No extra
They already
charge.
come with aguacate. So good. Some of the best tacos I've ever had, hands down. Here's my whole
There's a lot of options in
This is a chorizo taco.
not want you there.
We definitely didn't need this, but we got asada moldita. It looks fire. We're gonna have to be forced to eat this now, but it looks amazing.
Oh, wow.
spray paint the wrong restaurant and they're like, oh.
That's trying to moldita. I thought it was amazing. I'm so full though. We ended up getting this thing called the trio, and it's 3 tacos. It's like the chef's choices, and it's chorizo taco with papas. Like an asada adobe taco. I think the last one was a bean and frijol taco. It was pretty good. It was tasty. It was one of Fab's favorite. It was my least favorite, but they were all good.
My least favorite was the chorizo.
I love the chorizo. It was very
They were all
potent
good.
and spicy. Salsas were really good too.
Yeah.
Amazing spot. I think it lived up to the expectations for sure. So it was a 10 out of 10 for me. Definitely would come back. The service was good.
It's not that far of a drive from us either.
The line was only like 10 minutes. The food took another 10 minutes. The aguas frescas were fire. The tacos were fire. The molita was fire. Definitely come. It is worth the hype.